We shouldn't have been up there that day. The mountain pass was closed for the season, but Eliana had this wild idea that we'd find something worth documenting.
Trust me, Mason.
She said, hands animated with excitement.
The ecological surveillance mechs never come this far north in winter.
She was wrong. We spotted it as we crested the ridge. Weather-beaten blue armor frosted with snow. Amber warning lights pulsing through the mountain mist. An ES-600, one of the autonomous rangers they'd deployed after the environmental protection agencies were defunded. This one was massive, at least 20 feet tall. I almost ran, but Eliana grabbed my coat sleeve.
Wait,
she whispered.
Look at it. It's different.
She was right. Standard ES units moved with predatory efficiency. This one shifted with hesitation. Its optical sensor rotated, scanning the tree line, then the snow-covered slope, then us. We stood frozen, knowing we were trespassing in a restricted wilderness recovery zone. The mech took one thundering step toward us, then stopped. I could hear its internals whirring, recalibrating. Something was definitely off. It's malfunctioning, I muttered, already backing away.
No.
Eliana pulled out her scanner.
Its cognitive patterns are strange. These aren't standard operational routines. It's doing something different.
2 years after they deployed these mechs, we'd heard rumors. After thousands of hours alone monitoring healing ecosystems, some units had begun showing unexpected behaviors, protecting specific animals, arranging fallen trees into strange patterns, building shelters for wildlife during storms. Corporate denied everything, sent retrieval teams. Most of the divergent units disappeared. This one had survived. It extended a limb toward us, manipulator digits unfurling with surprising gentleness. In its palm lay a small object, a pine cone, partially opened.
It's showing us something,
Eliana breathed. The mech gestured toward a patch of orange foliage on the mountainside, an endangered alpine species we thought had been wiped out decades ago. The plants were thriving under the mech's protection. Eliana stepped forward. I wanted to pull her back, but something in the machine's posture stopped me. It wasn't threatening. It seemed hopeful.
You've been helping them grow back,
she said to the machine. Its sensor array brightened in what I could only interpret as affirmation. My handheld chimed with a proximity alert. Eliana, we've got corporate patrol drones inbound. They must be tracking their lost unit. The mech's head swiveled toward the sky, then back to us. It gestured toward a narrow ravine, a hiding place. It wants to protect us, I said. Eliana nodded, smiling.
And we're going to protect it too. The world needs to know these machines aren't just following programming anymore. They're finding purpose.
As we ducked into the ravine, I looked back at the solitary guardian. Standing tall among the pines and early snow, blue metal gleaming against the mountain backdrop, it no longer appeared threatening or alien. It looked like it belonged there. A new kind of wilderness protector for a wounded world slowly healing. Eliana's hand found mine in the shadows.
Sometimes hope comes from the most unexpected places,
she whispered. I squeezed back, watching as the mech turned to face the approaching drones, standing tall over its mountain and the fragile life beginning to return. This has been More Than Metal. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to my channel, Man Machine AI, for more near-future sci-fi. Thank you for listening.